We approach our people development programs just as we would our customer experience.
Delighting in the details. It's not just a tagline. I think it really is just how we like to do business.
When I first started with Brilliant Earth, I think we had about 20 different showrooms. Over 4 years, we've grown incredibly.
Just like any growing and scaling company, things are manual, things are done in spreadsheets, and we knew that that was not going to scale and grow with our company and the rate at which we were growing.
One thing that we've really needed to do is being able to have contact with all of our employees across the nation and in a fair and consistent way. With Lattice, that's been something that's been really helpful.
We can connect one-to-one data to engagement data to performance data, and we're able to really tell a story with the numbers across the platforms.
Lattice unlocked a true sense of employee engagement and provided our managers tools to really dive into employee sentiment and performance.
The AI feature I was just looking at and actually testing it, I realized, oh, this is really easy and a great way for our teams to see what their prior results were. They can see how they progressed, and they can look back at prior years as well.
We have a lot of managers comment on how easy it is to use the one-to-one feature, and it also helps them develop. They take responsibility in leading their growth path, and the tool helps them do that.
Ownership is one of our own pillars of culture, and I think Lattice really allows the employee to sit in the driver's seat for their career, and that's been really important for all of us.
We wanted to find an integrated solution that could help our employees grow, help them develop. We definitely early on saw positive results with managers that were consistently using Lattice. Those people tend to have higher performing, well-retained teams.
Brilliant Earth is making
Work meaningful
with people plus AI.